You can order the front exterior door handle used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Open the front door. Start by removing the stopping plug with a small fork. Using a Torx T25 screwdriver, unscrew the screw holding the door lock cylinder cover without removing it completely. Gently pull on the door handle to remove the door lock cylinder cover. Screw the door lock cylinder cover retaining screw back in a few threads to secure the door lock cylinder support. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. To remove the handle, pull it out and push it toward the rear of the vehicle. Pull the handle all the way out so that it's perpendicular to the door, then remove it from its slot. You can order the front exterior door handle used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the door handle, put it back in place. Take a zip tie and make a loop with it. Pinch the zip tie to insert it into the door opening mechanism. Insert it around the upper level of the mechanism and pull it out. Hold it in position. Next, put the handle back in place, front end first. Fold down the handle, then push it towards the front of the vehicle so that it locks into the mechanism. You can now cut the zip tie with wire cutters. Then remove it. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Unscrew the door lock cover retaining screw again. Take the door lock cylinder cover. Gently pull on the door handle to put the door lock cylinder cover back in place. Then, retighten the retaining screw. Put the shutter cover back on. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.